the horse and we're in UBON RATCHATHANI. So we're gonna walk around and just kind of show you what it looks like on a Saturday evening in one of these pedestrian streets. So stay tuned for that. I'll put it up on the map. Okay, so we got UBON RATCHATHANI. We'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Thailand. Plus, we'll also kind of, zoom in onto the downtown area. And on this particular video, I just have a series of kind of walking around in the evening and giving you a little taste of the downtown and the night market and some kind of cool little pedestrian walking streets and all kinds of stuff. Anyways, let's get right into it as if you were there yourself. Another slice of Thailand for you. So we have some artwork in here. Pretty cool little city. And they're setting up some live music in here as well. And then over here we have looks like kind of a bookshop. Hello. Come back up. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna kind of go around a little bit and just kind of show you what it looks like. Got some food choices. The music, they're gonna set up a band over there. And let's just walk in. There's a way down there. There's like a kebab, different shops. The music might impact my video, but later they'll have some live music. But this is kind of a taste for it a little bit. And I think what I'll do is I'll just kind of show you different elements of it, but I want to get away from that music. Rila, the Old Town Spa, food smoothie. Okay, let's go take a look. So it looks like they're going to set up some food, some drawing, some artwork. That smells really good right there. I think this one's going to be a fish restaurant. Peter Chan, cashews. Okay. We'll continue walking around and see what's more around here. Really cool little vintage vehicle right there. Hello, come back up. And we're kind of walking through some other parts of the city as well, and then you got some murals on the wall, some trees here, and some temples all the way down that way with some Buddhist monks.
What are they doing? Nothing. Back.
We're inside the temple a little bit, and then we're just going to go over by the waterfront and just take a look down that for a second. Okay, so we're walking up here. I take off my shoes out of respect, and it looks like it's kind of a restaurant, maybe. And you got the waterfront down there. Wow. Okay. Another slice of this beautiful city here. Well, that's the riverfront, and then we also have this beautiful temple right here. And there's more of a temple over here too. And this one has kind of amazing little designs. Okay, we're going to show more of this pretty cool looking city. UBON RATCHATHANI. So I'm going to go over there. I hear some music in that direction as well. Yeah, I think it's Saturday night. They're kind of getting everything all set up here. There's some stuff over there as well. So yeah, looks really cool. Oh, it's a brew place. We also have this one over here too. Hello, come back up. We got some artwork right there too. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's a nice town. Some really good people. Somebody just offered me to hang out there and drink a beer if I wanted to with him, but I kind of want to walk around and see more of the city. I'm just seeing some really nice bikes. Okay, we got something called Toast over there. Some boutiques. Get some really bright, beautiful buildings and this kind of nice storefront stuff. Coffees and bakeries. And we're gonna walk across the street over there as well. Okay. So I think we're gonna kind of walking down and around. Really colorful, all these plants as well. Yeah, it's a really photogenic city. That's the name of that street right there. And I think I was looking up the street earlier, Ratchathaani. This is kind of like one of the streets to be walking down and walking around. I saw it earlier, so now I kind of get to see why there's all these kind of cool looking shop houses and things like that. Let's go down further. And this is a market over here. I'm not gonna walk into it, but it's there. And then yeah, this street right here, I think I saw that this one was kind of a key street to walk down. Okay, we're gonna keep on exploring the city. I was looking it up on AI and was kind of saying that was kind of a center point. Okay. Okay, we're checking out more. There's these little alleys. People are taking photographs. There's a lot of people taking a lot of photographs throughout this whole area. I think some of it is like artwork, and some of it is maybe, I think there's like Sino-Portuguese shops in different places. I think there's one coming up here too. So that's a closer look. I think that's some of those shops. And then we're gonna just kind of stroll through here. But yeah, there's a lot of photographers. See the beautiful alleys and such too. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down, kind of exploring a little bit and seeing more what it all looks like. This one says art right there too. Yeah, what a cool town. Really like this a lot. That nice, beautiful green building. Zen Old Town, I saw that, and there's also some artwork down that way, so I think what we're gonna do is go and take a look at that, and I think there's more artwork over here too. Yeah, there is. So I think this is the beginning of the marketplace. Yeah, I saw this Zen Old Town. And we've got this nice little alley. Really cool looking artwork. Red and this is it. We got some cool little spaces here. Hello. Good. That sounds good. I like the music. Good music. Are you singing later? Are you gonna sing? Karaoke? No? Copenhagen. Bye. Okay. Healing City. And this goes all the way down. Okay. So it's pretty cool. It's really cool. Yeah, nice, beautiful town. All kinds of cool stuff in this town. Really, really nice. These are like these instruments. Those are like kind of traditional Thai guitars. Music shop. Wow, really nice place. Okay. Really nice. UBON Old Town. All these chairs. Oh, my friends. Thank you. And now it's nighttime and they have these little things for tourists. Cup and cup. And then we also have the horses. And we're going to be walking down that way. There's kind of an art market, so we'll try to capture a little bit of that. Hello! So we got some music right there as well.
Hello, welcome to Thailand.
Thank you. Cup and cup. And we have a big festival right here. And the sunset. And the balloons.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Thank you. Cup and cup. Very cool. I got a 20.